welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my self-care routine or my pamper routine or a relaxing day or a spa day basically. From last few weeks, I have been not feeling well. I was so busy with my household works because my mom was not feeling well, so I had to do everything. I didn't shoot a single video. I was not active on social media at all. पूरा ही बंद कर दिया था मैंने because बहुत नेगेटिव हो गया है एनवायरनमेंट. व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ इज सो नेगेटिव. And one day I thought of taking care of my body, taking care of myself, doing nothing and just chill and have a relaxing day or a spa day at home. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's get started.
Last few days were days of insecurities, self-doubts, anxiety, negative thoughts, introspection and many more. In the current scenario, it is quite normal to feel something like this. So I decided to cut off myself from the so-called social media and take a break and rejuvenate and refresh my mind, body and soul. I feel self-care is so underrated. We never really care or bother to take care of ourselves. So here is a video wherein I share how I take care of myself and how I refresh and rejuvenate my mind, body and soul. First on the list is eating right, eating healthy. So I always prefer healthy eating and my lifestyle is such that I love healthy eating. हमारे घर में बहुत सिंपल खाना बनता है, कुछ ऐसे जंक फूड कभी बहुत रेयर खाते हैं हम लोग. It has always been like I love eating greens, I love eating vegetables and fruits, and that's why I'm making a nice watermelon juice which is my favorite, so that I'm gonna enjoy. Next is taking care of my hair. So I'm someone who loves after my hair is washed and cleaned properly. मेरा मूड ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाता है व्हेन आई शैम्पू माई हेयर एंड इट इज़ प्रॉपरली क्लीन. आई डोंट नो इफ़ इट हैपन्स ओनली विथ मी और आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है तो ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. एंड यहाँ पे मैं मास्क अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, वेला प्रोफेशनल्स का मास्क. आफ्टर दैट आई लीव इट फॉर फ्यू आवर्स एंड मीनवाइल मैं थोड़ा सा पानी गर्म कर लेती हूँ. उसको मैं अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ फेस टाल और मैं अपने नोज़ पे सिर्फ कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही हूँ सो दैट आई कैन रिमूव द ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स फ्रॉम दैट एरिया. ऐसे स्टीम करने से आपके पोर्स ओपन हो जाते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू अप्लाई दोज नोज स्ट्रिप्स इट विल एक्चुअली रिमूव ऑल द डर्ट एंड ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स. सो यहाँ पे मैं मिनीसो का ब्लैक हेड नोज स्ट्रिप यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड वो चिपक नहीं रहा था इसीलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा पानी भी अप्लाई किया है. मीनवाइल मैं अपने नेल्स को साफ़ कर लूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर. इसका स्मेल बहुत ही घटिया है. इट इज़ बाय लैक्मे argan oil something and I'll clean all my nails and nail polishes and yeah, it's quite a satisfying process. and मैं अपने nails भी हाथों के nails नहीं but legs के fingers के nails मैं cut कर रही हूँ. After I am done with that, I removed the blackhead strip and oh my god, it is such a satisfying process to check out if the blackheads and whiteheads are gone or not. So after that I'll take a nice shower and I'll do my shower routine and my shaving routine, and after that I feel so happy. I have already explained about my shaving routine in one of my videos. If you haven't watched, please go and watch that. And yeah, after that I'm also gonna do my eyebrows because that needs to be done. I decided to do my brows and upper lips as well. I have already made a video about it. If you haven't watched, please go and watch it. So after I'm done with my process of shaving routine, I will apply nail paint on my nails. I'm applying lavender shade by Nail Trend if I'm not wrong, and currently I'm loving pastels and nudes and these kind of colors, and this is how it has turned out and I love it. While my nail paint is drying, I'm gonna check few YouTube videos of some creators, but some days I really don't like to be active on social media at all, and I cut off myself from people who are negative, from all those negative news. And instead of stalking people on Instagram, it is better to spend some time with nature, breathe in some fresh air, and that's what I'm going to do. This is the favorite time of the day when I watch the sunset at my balcony, open the window, get in some fresh air, and just chill and do nothing. I always love watching, staring, and observing people, birds, sky, and animals. I just feel good, and it has become my favorite hobby these days. I feel lucky enough that we have so much greenery at our home. All credit goes to my mom for making this beautiful balcony and terrace garden. We have so many plants at our balcony as well as our terrace. So I always feel better when I go to the balcony, or even better when I go to the terrace and watch sunset and also enjoy the nature. After enjoying being with nature, I came back to my room and I applied a mask. This is the mask that I'm using. It is by Mamaearth. It is Mamaearth C3 face mask. And this is the first time I'm trying it out. It smells a bit weird, but when you apply it really feels amazing. I'll apply it all over my face and just chill and relax for some time, and after it dries I will wash it off. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. This was a relaxing, chill day, self-care day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving. Please like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.